Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can add a custom domain to your Canva website. So first thing that you do here is just log into your Canva account and then select your website. So here I have my Squarespace domain. So I will be using this one. So now go back to Canva website and then tap on the publish website that you can see at the top right of your screen. And then here, all you have to do is to tap on this pencil icon. That's right. And then tap on the get a new domain. Okay. And then select the bring your own domain and then click on continue. And then right here, you just have to paste here or type out your domain. Okay. So let's just type out right here, quartertrade.com. Okay. And then type and then after typing out here domain, you just have to tap on continue. But since I already connected this domain, so all we can see here is this note. So after that, just tap on continue. Okay, and then once you're done, just have to hit the publish website at the top and then make sure to select here website. Then after that, you just have to click on the publish option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.